Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install the Canon MF3010 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear in this window, and once it's here, double tap to continue. Now you will be able to see a link that I'll be attaching at the description box below, so please copy it. And the moment you have copied it, please navigate to the Windows search bar here at the top and press Ctrl V in the keyboard so that you will be able to paste the link. Once you have pasted it, please click on enter so that you would be redirected to the result. So you would be able to see the Canon MF3010 printer driver. You would be able to see an option where you can download it. Click on download, and the moment you do it, you would be able to be redirected on the downloading process of this Canon MF3010. So how to check the download process? Simply proceed at the upper right side of the screen. You can see their download icon. Click on it so that you can monitor the download process. So all you need to do is you need to wait for a while until this would be finished, okay? Now, once it is being downloaded, click this folder icon so that you would be navigated to the location where it is being saved. So, the moment you've selected it, click this cut icon and close the window as well as this browser. And at the desktop screen, please do a right click and click on the spaced icon to move it here at the desktop. Now, once you have pasted this MF3010, all you need to do is you need to do a right click, and this time on, you need to scroll down. Okay. Please scroll down and locate for this and go with extract to MF3010 printer driver. Now, the moment you do it, just have to wait until a new folder would appear here at the desktop. And once it's here, you can now proceed to the button search bar. And this time you need to type for settings. Once you've typed that, wait until a best match again would appear. And once it's here, please click on open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together, and in that way, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Once you are here at the settings, directly proceed at the left side of the tour. You can see there Bluetooth and devices. Click on it, and from here, please scroll down and locate for this option called devices. So I can see it here. Just have to scroll down once again under the devices, and please proceed on more devices and printer settings. So this window, which is the devices and printers, will show you all the devices that are present or that you have installed in your Windows PC or laptop, and that includes the printers. So in order to install our MF3010, you need to proceed with this add a printer. Click on it at the upper left side of the screen, and this window would show up. From here, click on the printer that I want isn't listed. Click this add a local printer or network printer with manual settings and click on next. The moment you do that, it will ask you to use an existing port. All you need to do is you need to click this down arrow, and from here please select one of this USB port, either USB 001, 002, or 003. So please choose the existing port among of these three, no other than that. Okay. In my case, I'll be using USB 001 as my existing port. Once you're done, click on next. And this will show, click on have disk, go with browse. And from here, you need to navigate to the desktop where your driver is being placed to. And please scroll down. And from here, you can see there MF3010. Double tap to it and select on drivers. Double tap. Select this UK underscore ENG. Double tapped. And from here, if you have a 32-bit PC, select this one. If you have 64-bit PC, then proceed with the second. So mostly laptop has x64 operating system or base PC. So double tap to it and you would be able to see their driver double tapped. And from here, it will show you two drivers. So to these two drivers function similarly, just select any of this. Double tap once again, click on OK, and it will show you the Canon MF3010. The next thing that you need to do is you need to click on next. Go with next once again, click on next, and wait until it will be installed here. Click on next and go with finished. Once you're good, you have just successfully installed the Canon MF3010 in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So from that, you can now close the window as well as this, and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.